Fatigue is the most common symptoms people experience, yet one of the most misunderstood. It's your body's signal that something deeper is out of balance. Hi, I'm Dr. Gez Agolli, and in functional medicine, we look at fatigue through a completely different lens, exploring how hormones, infection, gut health, nutritional deficiencies, and cellular function all work together to determine your energy levels. In this video, I'll walk you through the hidden causes of fatigue and how we can help patients restore energy naturally from the inside out. Fatigue is your body's way of saying it needs support, not just more caffeine or sleep, but deeper healing at the cellular level. When we identify the root cause, whether it's hormonal imbalance, co-infections, nutritional deficiencies, or mitochondrial dysfunction, the body has the ability to restore its own energy and resilience. Some of the most common symptoms of fatigue that we see in patients in functional medicine, we see hormonal imbalances, whether it's a thyroid or adrenal. We see infections, viruses are on the rise. A lot of practitioners don't understand how viruses can rob the body's vitality and energy. We've also seen nutritional deficiencies. Believe it or not, one of the major causes of fatigue could be something as simple as nutritional deficiency. We also have seen the microbiome and certain gut infections can also contribute to fatigue. And obviously there are some advanced chronic diseases that we've seen as well. Could be neurological, could be also cancer. This can all contribute to the symptom of fatigue. So it's very, very important to do exploratory testing if you've been battling fatigue for quite some time, but you have to really get to the root. And if you don't test, you just guess. That's why we do all the testing and we try to rule it out. Toxicity, poor mitochondrial function, and inflammation play a major role in fatigue. And what we're looking for is we want to find out what's causing this, because if the body's constantly inflamed, you're naturally not going to have that energy and vitality. If the body's dealing with toxic metal burden and other environmental toxicity, then the body is not going to be able to thrive and have that cellular energy. The body is uniquely designed that you make energy, and we call this ATP. And when you make this energy, the body takes nutrients and turns that into cellular energy. And when you don't have the proper nutrients or your body's toxicity level is all-time high, then the feedback mechanism does not work properly and the body does not work in synergy and homeostasis. And that's why we look for all three areas to determine how to better plot out a course of treatment from a functional integrative perspective. There are many nutrients and minerals that are important to address any type of fatigue, chronic fatigue, or just regular fatigue. One of the areas we look for are minerals. Minerals are cofactors. And what that basically means, without a mineral, you can't make a vitamin, you can't make amino acids, you can't make hormones. So minerals are the spark plugs of life. So it's very important to look at minerals. I'm going to say that magnesium, which is responsible for over 300 different mechanisms of action in the body, is very, very important. Not only does magnesium relax the body, but it's also cofactors to make other vitamins, which create cellular energy. I'm also going to say zinc and selenium, critically important when it comes to cellular energy. But minerals in general, iodine, I can go on and about it, but I'm going to have to say those are the core minerals. And when it comes to other vitamins, we know that B vitamins play a very critical role in addressing any type of fatigue situation. So it's important to look at the broad spectrum of minerals and certain vitamins. They're called essential for a reason, and that's why we look at all of them. There is a gut-brain connection, and gut health does tie in fatigue, because if you're dealing with a plethora of gut infections, which we talked earlier, that infections do play a role. So that's why it's so important to evaluate gut health. So you can be balanced in every other area of your body. You can have the right amount of minerals. You could have the right hormonal balance. But if the gut health is compromised, which is causing inflammation, then you're just not going to get that energy that you need. And that's why we need to evaluate gut health. We use blood testing, we use saliva testing, you can also use stool and hair. And it's very important to do this type of testing to determine, is it an infection? Is it inflammation? Is it a deficiency? At Progressive Medical, we do a deep dive in testing. Our philosophy is if you don't test, you just guess. And when it comes to fatigue, it's so important to determine what's causing it so you can go in the right direction. We've had so many patients come into our clinic and see our practitioners, and these patients have been to numerous other locations and other practitioners, and they've done all kinds of therapies. And it wasn't until we actually did a deep dive in whether it's gut health or the environmental toxicity, heavy metal burden toxicity, that we found out the root cause. And once you addressed it, the body begins to heal. Yes, you need good nutrition. Yes, you need proper sleep and rest. But if the body's compromised, you're just not going to get well till you address it. Fatigue is definitely one of the first signs that any good practitioner and doctor will take a look at, and you should not rule out something more serious, such as a neurological disease or potentially a cancer. But certainly you want to start off with some of the root cause testing, and it's just a sign when the body's out of balance. So that's why it's so important to determine, because you want to make sure that everything is in balance, so your mitochondria is firing at all cylinders and helping you make that energy, because the body's designed to be resilient and the body's designed to heal from the inside out. And that's why it's important to take fatigue very seriously. Once we identify the root cause and eliminate it, the body has a very unique way, just by going through its normal course of action, to heal from the inside out, just from nutrition, proper rest. Once you eliminate all the factors that we found that cause this, your body's going to be able to restore naturally, and you go on to your own daily living activities with good nutrition, proper rest, and exercise. And that's what's so unique about functional integrative medicine. Once you get to the root cause, you can go back to having a normal, healthy life, and you can continue living your life well. When you change your diet, you change your life, and nutrition plays a vital role when you're dealing with any type of fatigue, because once you have good nutrition, your body will continue to heal and have the nutrients that you need to continue to thrive and to have that energy, because the body has a very unique way of making energy, and as long as you have a good reservoir of the proper nutrition, the body's going to continue to heal and you're going to have a plethora of energy. Once you identify the root cause, there's so many different strategies that we use to be optimal. The key is to be optimal with your energy. We use strategies such as high dose vitamin C, or something called NAD, which is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, which is a very powerful substance of the body that makes cellular energy and also helps with brain function as well. It can also help with other areas of the body, but we use Myers cocktail, we use B vitamins, something called glutathione as well. All of this is going to help restore energy because it bypasses the digestive tract. We use oxygen therapies. We're big believers in oxygen therapy as well when it comes to restoring cellular energy, because oxygen is like you can breathe oxygen and restore the breath of life, and that will bring in that cellular energy and to help combat fatigue. So I believe to use different therapies to bring you back into balance. When the body's not feeling well, when you're completely depleted and you're fatigued, you have to have a very cohesive approach to getting the energy back. And that's why it's so important. It's not just obviously proper rest, but if you're resting properly and you're still fatigued, something's going on at the cellular level. And that's why when we test and we get a plan of action, you can restore your energy one step at a time. Some of the daily habits that you need to do to restore natural cellular energy: your bedroom should be a haven for rest. You should have a sleeping routine, which is very, very important. God designed the body that when you rest and you sleep properly, you can restore your immune function, your vitality, your brain function. Now there's a plethora of research that talks about with sleep deprivation can cause all kinds of different diseases, and we know that sleep and rest is very important. Exercise, walking vigorously at least 3 to 4 times a week, but also having that good nutrition, a nutrition that works for you, that's low inflammatory. These are some of the core principles on daily habits that you can use in addition to these other strategies to restore your fatigue and your natural energy. It's so important. I implore you not to ignore fatigue and not just to drown it with caffeine or for stimulants. There is a reason. It's a root cause. It's a sign the body's out of homeostasis. So I encourage all of you out there to talk to your practitioner and to get strategies on how to get back your resilience and your vitality and to have that energy. Like I say, it's called the progressive energized bunny. If this video helped you understand fatigue a little better, be sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on functional and integrative medicine. I'm Dr. Gez Agolli with Progressive Medical Center. This is your life. Live it well.